Hey guys, Praveen here, and in this video we're going to see why I switched my website from Next.js to Astro. And the website in question is this one, the praveenjogi.com, my personal portfolio website. And we're just going to see why I switched from Next.js to Astro.build. So Astro, if you don't know, is a static site generator. It is made for content-driven websites like blogs, site marketing sites, and e-commerce websites. It has some server things, but 90% of the time I'll use it for content driven websites like marketing sites, which is best for, I think. So yeah, why switch to Astro.js? Before Astro, this was an Next.js site, and even before that I used Hugo, Jekyll, Middleman, everything. And Astro keeps me in the TypeScript environment, which I like, because Hugo I have to go to Go syntax, Middleman I have to go to Ruby syntax, but Astro is fully TypeScript environment, which is great. And Astro has some excellent features like content collections, zero JavaScript by default, built in some integrations, which is like the sitemap integration, the tailwind integration, everything is great. And yeah, it's very intuitive. Astro is very intuitive. It's if you think this is how it should work, Astro already has that. So what happened? So how I switched? So switching from Next.js to Astro took me about 3 to 4 hours, thanks to Astro's simplicity. And this is not a very big site; it's a very small site. I have blogs, designs, that's all. So it didn't take that much time to update it. And so what were the pros and cons? Pros is performance. It's I removed all the JS from my side. There's no JS running here, so it's fast to load now. And developer experience, it's as I said, the code is very easy to understand. It's very well structured and everything. So, and I have TypeScript. And I moved from Outstatic, which was Next.js's CMS that I use. I'm still using Outstatic for some other client websites, but for my thing, I mostly write in VS Code or Cursor here, so I didn't need a CMS. So moving out of that was pretty easy. And for Astro cons, I would say that like prefetching isn't perfect, and we need more docs on content creation collections, because content collection is very new in Astro 5, and I am having trouble with creating some contents. So, but I think it'll get there. And prefetching isn't perfect, because when I click on designs in my Next.js website, or when I click on praveenjogi.com, it's very quick, and it's quicker than Astro. So I'm seeing that slight delay. I don't know why, but Next.js was quicker from going from page to page, and Astro is like a smidge slower. But on that, I moved from Vercel to GitHub pages to Cloudflare pages. Cloudflare pages is very fully free for static sites, and it has analytics also, so it was a no-brainer for me. And yeah, that's it. For static sites, Astro gets a big thumbs up from me. It's fast, efficient, and developer friendly. And yeah, if you want to consider moving your personal site to Astro, this is the best thing. If you know like little HTML and CSS, and you want to create websites, this is a great thing. And I've been recommending this to all my fellow designers to move their personal portfolio sites to here, because it's fully free. If you move to Cloudflare, you only need to buy the domain. That's it. So yeah, let me know how it works out for you. Bye bye.